Welcome to the Workamper Show, a podcast devoted to helping you discover how to finance your RV travel dreams. I'm Steve Anderson, the president of Workamper News. Each one of our episodes will either introduce you to people who are already living the RV lifestyle or to opportunities to work short-term jobs. You'll also learn how to hit the road the right way and make the most of every opportunity. Now let's turn over today's show to your host, Greg Gerber.
Thank you, Steve. We have a shorter episode for you today, but it offers a lot of important information about working for one of Workamper's largest employers. Today's episode is sponsored by The Dreamer's Journey, a new online course and community produced by Workamper News. Life is way too short to keep your dreams on hold, so don't be held back by fear, because you were designed for more. Get started in the RV lifestyle the right way with this comprehensive guide. Dreamers can participate in 2 online events every week to learn things like what type of RV to buy, goal setting, how to budget for the adventure, developing a positive mindset, where to call home, and how to find a job or start a mobile business. All online events will be recorded for watching anytime. Dreamers can also join an open question and answer session once each month. There's no wrong time to get started, so for more information, visit www.rvdreamersjourney.com. Amazon, the online retail giant, has been hiring work campers for years as part of its CamperForce program. It's a community of enthusiastic RVers who work seasonal jobs picking, packing, stowing, or receiving products at one of 11 warehouses in 8 states. Those warehouses are located in Oregon, Nevada, Arizona, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Kentucky, and Tennessee. Kelly Comey has been involved in the program since its inception more than 12 years ago. He started as a trainer with the CamperForce program and then moved into Human Resources Administration. He outlines some of the ways Amazon works to ensure that employees remain safe during the COVID environment and describes the plan for training new associates. Work campers earn $15 per hour plus an assignment completion bonus if they fulfill their commitment. The bonus is 50 cents for every regular hour worked and an extra $1 for every overtime hours. Work campers also receive basic life and accidental death and dismemberment insurance, with Amazon paying the premiums after 30 days. When staying at an Amazon-approved campground, work campers receive $550 per month to help cover the costs for the site. To be part of the Amazon CamperForce program, work campers need only a high school diploma or GED. There are no special skills or qualifications required. In fact, they'll pick up skills by learning to work with Amazon's robotic technology and automated systems. To tell us more about Amazon's CamperForce program and how to get involved this fall, please welcome Kelly Comey to the show. Thanks for joining us today, Kelly. I really appreciate the time. Tell us a little bit about what Amazon CamperForce is all about.
So thanks so much for the opportunity to join today, Greg. I really appreciate it. So Amazon is guided by 4 principles. Those are customer obsession rather than competitor focus, passion for invention, a commitment to operational excellence, and long-term thinking. The types of services that Amazon provides are incredible. Some of the products and services pioneered are customer reviews, one-click shopping. Think of Amazon Prime, fulfillment by Amazon, Amazon Web Services, of course, Amazon Echo, and of course, Amazon Alexa.
There are a lot of services involved with Amazon, that's for sure. So tell us about your experience with the CamperForce program.
So, Greg, I've had the privilege of being involved with the program since the program began 12 years ago. I first encountered CamperForce Associates while serving as a training ambassador, where I supported CamperForce training for our fulfillment center learning programs. And then later, I moved to Human Resources, where I supported campers in an administrative capacity. And currently, my role is in program management. I get to assist prospective CamperForce associates through recruiting events and RV shows, as well as through seminars and online events. And the best part is that each step of the way, I've had the good fortune to work with a super team whose mission is simply helping great campers find wonderful job opportunities here at Amazon.
And what type of jobs do the work campers typically perform?
So, Greg, we're so proud of our innovative program. and the opportunities it offers for individuals to combine earning extra money during the holiday season with RV camping. And as you know, work campers come from a variety of backgrounds, but they all have the same thing in common. They're simply folks who are looking for opportunities to be flexible in their lifestyle and in their work. And that's where our program comes in. Our CamperForce team members work in the same roles as our regular full-time employees, and they play integral roles from receiving inventory to picking and shipping customer orders, and as well as supporting our network logistics at our Amazon fulfillment centers.
Mm-hmm. So they're involved in a number of different ways in getting products delivered to customers. They're not just all shipping products to customers. Is that right?
Exactly. Our CamperForce associates fill a variety of roles within our fulfillment centers.
Okay. Given the current dynamic situation, what are you doing to ensure the safety of your employees in this COVID-19 era?
So, Greg, safety is our top priority, and we're committed to ensuring a clean and safe workplace. In fact, since mid-March, we've implemented over 150 significant process changes, from enhanced cleaning and social distancing measures to disinfectant spraying. We've distributed personal protective gear like 100 million masks, think of that number, and over 34 million gloves across our entire operations network. And also, additionally, we've deployed machine learning tools that measure social distancing in our buildings. Greg, on top of that, we invested approximately $4 billion in the second quarter of 2020 on COVID-related initiatives to get products to our customers and to help keep our employees safe. And that includes spending more than $800 million in the first half of the year on COVID-19 safety measures like purchasing hand sanitizer, purchasing thermal cameras, and adding disinfectant spraying in our buildings, plus adding additional janitorial teams. We've also spent over $85 billion in redeploying our team members from their typical roles to roles in which they perform safety-related tasks and audits at sites around the world, like serving as social distancing ambassadors to help enforce those social distancing guidelines.
How are you able to train these CamperForce members so quickly?
There's nothing more important to us than making sure that we protect the health of our team. So we ensure that every new employee goes through new hire orientation on their first day that includes 6 hours of safety training. And beyond that, Greg, our employees are trained on the job, and each person gets an ambassador who provides support to them as well.
So they have kind of like a buddy. If they have a problem, they don't understand how to do something, there's somebody they can turn to get help?
Right. We have specifically designed associates who are trained to serve as ambassadors in their subject matter area. So, for example, in whatever particular path one of our CamperForce associates is working in, there's an ambassador to ensure that they are successful to provide support to them.
Okay. How long has Amazon been utilizing work campers?
So the program was created way back in 2008, and it's incredible to think that it's been 12 years since we created the program. And on average, Greg, Amazon welcomes hundreds of CamperForce associates to our select fulfillment centers during peak season. This year, we're offering CamperForce in Oregon, Nevada, Arizona, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Kentucky, and Tennessee. And if one is interested, they can go to amazon.com/CamperForce to learn more about those locations.
It sounds like you're adding more locations all the time. It used to be just 3.
Right. We have expanded those opportunities for 2020. So we're very excited about that.
What benefits do work campers provide to Amazon versus the local market hires that you have?
So CamperForce employees receive Amazon's industry-leading $15 an hour minimum wage. They also receive an assignment completion bonus and a seasonal employee benefits package, such as basic life and accidental death and dismemberment after 30 days of employment, with those premiums paid in full by Amazon. Then after 90 days, our seasonal employees are eligible for medical and prescription drug coverage, with those premiums paid in full by Amazon as well. And also, the CamperForce program campground benefit pays up to $550 monthly directly to campgrounds to help cover campground expense.
When you mention season, what dates are you talking?
Well, each of our assignments have different dates in which we need associates. So one can go to amazon.com/CamperForce and take a look at the opportunities there to see when those assignments typically begin.
Okay. Are they typically very short term, right? Just through the holiday season?
Well, they depend on the assignment. And again, someone who would be interested can go to amazon.com/CamperForce to take a look and see when those assignments begin and end.
Okay. How many hours do the work campers typically work each week?
So our CamperForce associates, those job opportunities do vary by location, and we update those postings daily with open positions, but our CamperForce candidates can choose from a variety of shifts.
Are they all full-time or all part-time?
Well, again, those job opportunities do vary by locations, and we do update those postings daily with those open positions. And
Okay.
again, our CamperForce associates can choose from a variety of different shifts.
Okay. How many work campers do you hire?
So we create jobs during the holiday season to help meet the increase in customer demand and to help us identify great talent. Now, hundreds of these seasonal employees are part of our CamperForce program, many of whom return year after year due to their positive experience and to help us fulfill customer orders during our peak season.
Okay. And how many of them return from season to season?
One of the best parts of this program for me is seeing a great number of our CamperForce associates return year after year after year, again, due to that positive experience that they had and to help us fulfill our customer orders during those peak season assignments.
And how do you usually acquire work campers?
So we have a dedicated CamperForce recruiting team that attends RV specific events throughout the year and who network directly with RVers to help them find job opportunities at Amazon.
Okay. What's involved in your interview and hiring process?
So first is our online application process that can be completed in about an hour and includes picking your shift and scheduling your new hire appointment. And then second is the new hire appointment, which is where you complete the hiring process and provide proof of your identity and employment eligibility. And then third is the new hire orientation, where you learn about your new job and you get to hear from site leadership and you get your badge photo for your first day. Now, of course, availability is constantly changing, and we do encourage everyone to check the amazon.com/CamperForce website frequently for updates. And also, one can sign up to receive job alerts by texting CamperForce to 77088.
And what traits or qualifications do you look for in a work camper?
So, Greg, besides those basic qualifications of a high school degree or an equivalent diploma, we're simply looking for enthusiastic, hardworking individuals who have a strong work ethic and a commitment to customer service. Here's one of the great things about working with us at Amazon in that training with our innovative technology. It's very simple and it doesn't require any additional qualifications. And the best part is that working with robotic technology or automation provides our associates with an in-demand experience, thereby expanding their professional skill set.
Do the work campers need any special skills or training?
Well, every associate has an induction day on their first day that includes 6 hours of safety training. And beyond that, our associates are providing robust and continuous on-the-job training throughout their assignment. And additionally, an assigned ambassador provides support to them for at least a week to ensure their success at Amazon.
I know that you have different opportunities in different areas, but what draws people to those areas? Do you have any idea?
So the CamperForce program provides a great opportunity to enjoy different areas of the country. And one of the best parts about our program is no matter if you're interested in a more urban setting with lots of attractions and activities, such as, say, a Nashville, Tennessee, or a Cincinnati, Ohio, or if one is more interested in working in a more rural and a smaller town setting of a Campbellsville, Kentucky, our program can accommodate that. So whether someone is interested in the East Coast, the West Coast, or somewhere in between, the Amazon CamperForce program has opportunities available.
Do you have any advice for people who are considering becoming a work camper?
Oh gosh, yes. Do your homework. Just as in anything that you're considering doing, thoroughly research your opportunities to determine the requirements, the expectations, and the benefits. Then review the experiences that others have had when considering a similar role. And most importantly, Greg, just enjoy the process and enjoy the ride. One of the best parts of the program for me, again, is seeing a great number of our CamperForce associates return year after year after year.
And where can people get more information?
So to learn more about CamperForce job opportunities, they can simply visit our webpage at amazon.com/CamperForce. There we've listed location and assignment details, plus CamperForce campground information. And again, you can also sign up to receive job alerts by texting CamperForce to 77088.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for this information. It's been very helpful.
Well, it was great being with you today. Thanks so much for the opportunity to join you.
I'd like to thank Kelly Comey for sharing his insight and experience with us about the ways in which Amazon hires work campers to work seasonal jobs picking, packing, stowing, and receiving products at some of the company's warehouses. I had the opportunity to take a warehouse tour in Texas a few years ago, and it really is an interesting work environment with humans working alongside robots to find and store products. Amazon is hiring now for jobs to start in mid-October and just before Christmas. But get your applications in quickly because the deadline for applying is later this week. The application process is relatively simple and can be completed online in less than an hour. That includes picking the shift you'd like to work. Once hired, work campers have an appointment to confirm their identity and work eligibility. After that, they attend a new hire orientation to learn specifics about the jobs they'll be performing. They'll also receive 6 hours of safety training. To ensure they start their jobs quickly and without problems, each work camper is matched to an experienced ambassador for at least a week. They can also join a closed Facebook community to ask questions, share experiences, and get to know other associates. For more information, visit www.amazon.com/CamperForce. Workamper News, a magazine and online publication that connects RVers to full and part-time jobs around the country. Whether it is running a business from your RV or working short-term jobs for a variety of employers, Workamper News can give you information to help you plan a course to live your own dream and get you on the road faster than you thought possible. For more information about opportunities to live, work, and play in your RV, visit www.workampernews.com. This episode is sponsored by the National RV Training Academy in Athens, Texas. The Academy's 1-week live training or home study course will teach you everything you need to know to fix about 80% of the problems people experience with their RVs. You can also sign up for additional training to become an RV inspector, campground technician, or to provide mobile RV service. For more information, visit www.nrvta.com. That's all we have for today's show. I have a number of great interviews coming up in the weeks ahead, so be sure to check back in for next week's episode of The Work Camper Show. Thanks for listening.